In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your reviews on VRBO 5 minutes. Whether you're a traveler wanting to check what hosts have said about your stay or a property owner tracking guest feedback, I'll walk you through it clearly and simply. Start by signing in to VRBO using the same account you used for your booking or listing. If you have both traveler and owner accounts, double check you're in the right one so the correct trips and tools appear. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose My Trips. This takes you to a page where all your reservations are organized. To see reviews related to a past stay, switch to your past trips and click the trip you want to review. Inside that trip's details, look for the reviews section. This is where you can view two things: any reviews a host has left about you as a guest, and the reviews you wrote about the property. If you don't see a review yet, it might be because the host hasn't submitted one or the system is still processing it. Give it a little time after checkout and make sure your own review has been submitted, since mutual reviews often encourage timely responses. A quick tip for travelers: when you read your host's feedback, take note of any themes around communication, cleanliness, or house rules. Consistent positive reviews can make future bookings smoother, and if you spot something you can improve, it's great to address it on your next trip. Now, if you're a host or property owner, switch over to the owner dashboard. From there, select the property you want to review, especially important if you manage multiple listings, since each one has its own performance and feedback. To understand how your reviews impact visibility, go to Performance and then Ranking Metrics. This area gives you a broader picture of how guest satisfaction and review quality influence where your listing appears in search results. If you'd like to see the actual comments and star ratings, head straight to the Reviews tab for that property. You can usually sort by date or rating, and if available for your account, respond to guest reviews professionally and concisely. As a best practice, look for patterns across your feedback, mention of cleanliness, check-in clarity, amenities, or accuracy, and make small improvements that align with common guest expectations. Keeping your listing details accurate and your communication timely often leads to more five-star experiences. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your reviews on VRBO, both as a traveler and as a host.